Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mark LeMay. We're going to cover the proper way to lift. I always get patients coming into me and they ask me, hey Dr. May, I was just bending over to put on my sock and my back went out. How did that happen? Well, it's what's called the 10-to-1 rule. So what that is for every 1 pound that you put out in front of you like this, it puts 10 pounds of pressure on the lowermost portion of your lumbar spine or low back. So I don't know if you've noticed this, but both men and women, they are a little bit different as far as their weight. Typically, males from the waist up, 55% of your weight is from the waist up and 45% of your weight is from the waist down. Now for the ladies, typically on average, about 60% of your weight is from the waist down and 40% is from the waist up. Now for me, I weigh about 170 pounds, so for me, just bending over like this to pick up a sock, that's literally about 100 pounds times 10. So that's 1,000 pounds of pressure just picking up a sock. So I want to show you the 2 proper ways to lift. The first one is called the 2-point pickup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this big heavy pillow here to lift up. What you want to do is you want to use the strongest muscles in your body, your legs. So you're going to bend down, keeping your back straight, grab the weight, pull it into you, and lift up like this. That's the 2-point pickup. Now if you have a bad hip or knee or ankle, you want to use the good leg, the one that's not injured, to lift with. This is called the 3-point pickup. So you get as close to the weight as you can. You're going to bend down with your good leg, and you're going to grab, pull it in towards you, and lift with your good leg. That's the 3-point pickup. That is the proper way to lift.